Instagram just added a new feature called Instants, and a lot of users are accidentally sharing photos without even realizing it. Here is exactly how to turn it off completely. First, open your Instagram app and head over to your profile. From there, tap the three-line menu icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open up your main settings. Scroll down through the options until you find Content Preferences. Tap on it. Inside this menu, look for the option labeled Hide Instants in Inbox. Go ahead and toggle this switch to On. Once you enable this, Instagram Instants will completely disappear from your inbox. Plus, you will no longer receive any unwanted instants from other users. And that is it. Your Instagram Instants feature is now officially disabled. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe, and follow along for more quick tech tutorials.